In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to trade after hours on E*Trade. Trading after hours can be incredibly beneficial for those who want to capitalize on market news or events that occur outside of regular trading hours. But to take advantage of these opportunities, you need to use the correct settings. First, let's talk about the timing. It's crucial to know the specific after-hours times on E*Trade. The pre-market session runs from 7 in the morning to 9:30 in the morning Eastern Time. Meanwhile, the after-hours session is from 4 in the afternoon to 8 in the evening Eastern Time. Remember, some assets might have limited trading availability overnight, so always double-check the details for your specific stock. Now, with that understanding in place, let's move on to accessing the right tools. Open your E*Trade account by logging in. For the best trading experience, especially after hours, use Power eTrade or the eTrade app. These platforms are designed to give you a comprehensive view and control over your trades. Once you're logged in, search for the stock you're interested in trading. Next up, selecting the right stock is key. Type the ticker symbol for the stock you want, like AAPL for Apple or TSLA for Tesla. This will take you to the stocks page. From there, tap on Trade to get started. This step is crucial because it ensures you're working with the correct stock and have all the relevant information at your fingertips. After you've selected your stock, the next step is to enable the extended hours setting. This is the most important step in the process. On your trade ticket, look for the duration or time in force option. You need to select the extended hours, after hours, or the EXT option. Confirm that this setting is enabled. This ensures that your trade is set to execute during the after-hours session, which is essential for trading during this time. Once that is done, it's time to place your order. There is an important rule you need to follow here. In after-hours trading, you must use a limit order only. Market orders are not allowed during these times. This is because limit orders give you control over the price you are willing to pay or receive, which is vital in the less predictable after-hours market. Choose whether you want to buy or sell, enter the quantity of shares, set your limit price, review the order, and then click Submit. This makes sure your order is placed with the conditions you've set. After submitting your order, you'll want to monitor your trade. Go to the Orders or Activity section. Check to see if your order is pending, filled, or partially filled. This allows you to stay informed about the status of your trade and make adjustments if necessary. Finally, let's discuss some important risks associated with after-hours trading. The after-hours market is different from the regular trading session. You might experience lower trading volume, which can lead to bigger price swings and wider spreads. This also means there might be slower or partial fills on your orders. Being aware of these risks helps you make informed decisions. To recap, the workflow is simple. Log in, pick your stock, enable extended hours, use a limit order, and submit your trade. With these steps, you can confidently navigate after-hours trading on E*Trade. Thanks for watching, and happy trading!